If you talk about man, I'm available. I'm trying to get me some capital. This shit is easy like volleyball. Nothing on me is impossible. Sometimes I feel like I'm Rambo. I keep a knife in the cutthroat. Why you acting like you don't know? That could have begged a gun.
And we back with another video, guys. Your boy Alkizan and I'm with Casey.
Munyamuji.
I'm Melancholy.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, guys, Nasi, yeah, we're reacting to Jamasa. Kurungai. Handuru. Jamasa. So it's Hello Mwari remix featuring what? Haitham Kim.
Nigga smile.
So without further ado, let's get straight into the video, guys. Yes, sir. And please like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below.
Oh, text. I can't breathe. Oh, shit.
Road to 1K and subscribe to a channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, road to
Link
1K.
in this country.
Description.
Without fail.
Yeah, I know. Even the Instagram handle, right?
In the comments. All there.
And pretty boy Andy, let's go. Kurungai. Who's the tune? It's not different. I don't think this needed a remix.
True, I don't
To be honest.
Alright, so let's go.
Jacket rapigwa na Jamasta. Hizi jacket ratwaba me. Ranu simbupige.
I just Pamwe ufana bro. I don't peace out. Win. Danza Tawin.
Danza Tawin.
They don't actually say fonera, you know.
450.
Honestly.
And those which go and see that, but they don't actually say for me like.
Honestly.
Bombera. Sure.
Honestly.
Bombera, what?
No.
Honestly.
What she said.
450.
Guys, I can't say it. But they don't actually say for naira.
It's vulgar.
No, it's not vulgar.
It's what?
So what is it?
No, that's on your stuff.
Minute. Wait a minute.
Handing.
Yes, sir.
Pushing Java Records.
Because this one, what is the case? Case, what is it? What is the case?
Pretty boy.
Guys, I think.
What do you think? Original? I
think original.
The song didn't need a remix.
Yeah,
The girl I know gonna kuimba, but she just doesn't fit into the song. It was unnecessary.
It's in a nice tune though, but
Even the concept of the video.
1 million I see. 1 million I see. I see.
I no kwanza uswika.
Please.
Java
kati ma 50 years challenge.
Inoswika. Chakatarisa tatarota iswiki.
Alright, but is it gonna pass the original though?
I
don't think so. But I think 500k, 600, 700. Alright. Java Katangoti.
So guys, comment down below what you think of the song. We might be biased, we might be what, but
It's a nice
song, but
vibe, but
the remix was unnecessary.
Tangutaro was
a remix there was kana Zima artist. Rapping kana Winky kana That's it for the video.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, sir.
All of these girls be blowing me kisses. No, I ain't Santa, but nigga, I'm gifted. I drop bars, I stay consistent. I just take off like nigga, I'm lifted. Whoa, a lot of you acting, boy, you scripted. All of this fuego, nigga, I'm drip.